ugeli alishayele la cap umntwana bhayi kube i-Jewish ilanga lakhona la esigele kube i-service yakuthatha so sivele la mina ngisakhumbula besi5 shaya bread so
Yes-ke. Hey man, noma ngisesikolweni mangifunde emabhodini lapha ngiyabona man ngibona i-art lana ngibona i-acting. Mabhalo action lapha nebhodini ebikuthiwa business action what ngibona acting business acting hey iyangibiza le nto ngiyona. Ngathi ayife. I think I was before you come because once lava iline ivayila sabona. Uzokukhumbula mase lishiwo omunye umuntu kuphika ukuthi it's my life. So le line then
like into enenzile ukuthi like ngicabanga ukuthi okay podcast vele
probably mina bangifostile bro vele bangifostile
okay so like mawuthi bakufuthi.
Welcome to Kasi Pulse from the streets
for the streets.
back again, new episode, new people. So my name is Kucho. So today I'm having new guests. So everybody will introduce themselves, who I am, Yenzani, Chunani. So I'll share intro yakho.
Okay bafethu lona usibuda so like into engiyithunana le ngokushaya ama vlogs by the way plus ngine brand so yeah.
Yeah, bafethu it's your boy Young Drill talking to myself lezi ezitshelayo. Umbhali wenkondlo ephilayo. Yeah, yimi lo bafethu. Yeah. I'm a poet, I'm a dancer, I'm a practitioner of theater practitioner. In the theater, I'm an actor. Oh yes, ayidlule my king.
Ayidlule. Hayi melidlulele. Yeah, uthanaka host konke nje iko konke.
Sure.
So siqala ngomjita la till ya vlogger une brand yeah. So like how is it Joe uzina idea kanjani ukuthi ayikuse into ofuna ukuyenza le ngifuna ibrand ngifuna upush into kanje ethola senze utheni bayithula phela ethola yeah. So how is it going
so far? Yeah, siyancenga but then lento le ukuze size nayo ne shukuthi manje ngisakhumbula boma 21 or 2020 bengisaskimene nontwana veta shukuthi manje la uthi le yaseSoweto shukuthi manje untwana vele beka into vele izinto zama brand yeah shukuthi manje untwana vele mina ngumuntu othanda ifashion yabo so manje untwana vele maqala ukudlula izinto zama brand engiyabona manje untwana influencer nami lento ngiyaqala ukuyithanda mawuntwana thini ayibafethu asiqaleni ibrand yethu la eKasi since la eClifffontein ngena ama brand so far maye mina naleya kwami size nama idea vele ukuchina ibrand sihlanganisa amagama but then singayicovi serious shukuthi last year 2025 leya kwami ithini boy mina sengihlanganise 12 so bengicela ukuthi siqale le brand ngithi boy I feel singayiqala umntwana feel angisendela ama ideas yangisendele yonke into from there feel ngoba umntwana feel useres ibrand umntwana iphushe la iqale vele
you share as a rest
yeah umntwana usesigele yeah umntwana iphushe la iresi like umntwana ngisendela ama picture feel abantu mabayishayile nami ngipost feel la kuma status kuma TikTok mangilokho ngiposta nami ngiyabona man abantu bayithanda lidini le shukuthi manje nami nibe nalento lekuthini antwana singasipana
Sure.
masipana kaye shukuthi manje untwana angiphosela ama design ngiseClifffontein athi untwana bhayisa le stock I feel that last day ngishaya G10 so ngibonise feel ama classmate nakwamanye ama class vele like mina scared ngokulo muntu lo like bayangicaba bonke yeah even like ungangikhulumisi but then ngiyangicaba
sure
even like ungangikhulumisi ukuthi maye le brand lena iqala ibhayo yenye intwana ka yase Rabarish ukuthi maye kana ibhayo kube nomunye ugelo fresh la esigela ngemgayi cap just for free
What's the name of the
brand.
your brand?
lokho
Loco.
yeah lokho yeah
Loco.
shoot my untana fed abhaye ugel ngemgayi cap mahala ugela lishaya cap esigela abantu bayabaseleka ngoba la like that time ade bengakayibona ngithola belokho babona la ngiyaposta mara like lento abayi even like
on product straight
sure noma bahlangana nami banivale brand abafeaturile kusani ngoba besahlanganisa yabo
yeah
ugeli alishayile la cap untwana bhayi kube iJewish ilanga lakhona la esigela kube isevisi yangithola
sure
so sivele nami ngisakhumbula besi5 shay brand sonke yeah masifika la esigela vele bayabona nayi le brand kantwana yo abantu bayabaseleka manje sebecala ukulo uzofuna ama prize mntwana edayisa ngamalini
Yeah, mara probably I should say out there so say yambile mas. Mara probably sobuya lapha echot.
yeah
Singene umjita. Awusitshele, how did you find yourself uyenza poetry? Man, awusitshele ijeni yakho eze poetry.
My king mina kahle ngiyi-actor ngithola
Mhm.
so ekubeni i-actor kwami so ngifunde izinto kule acting industry ngithola
Okay.
so lento le akusiyi talent i-calling mekai
Kholi.
ngithi mina noma ungayavala noma ungayaphi izokuhonta baba i-calling that
yeah
shoot manje bengile ukuthi esigela ngifocusile ngithola ngile focusile esigela hey man noma ngisesikolweni mangifunde emabhodini lapha ngiyabona man ngibona i-art lana ngibona i-acting mabhalo action lapha nebhodini maybe kuthiwa business action what ngibona acting business acting hey iyangibiza le nto ngithola
Yeah.
ngathi ayifeli I think I was in bengishaya grade 5 mangiqala ungena ngaphakathi
sure
yangithola bengishaya G5 but then in primary bese ngathola ama opportunities ngithola bofakwa bekune creative arts futhi ya bekune creative arts iyo besifumele ukuthi siperform ngithola sikhomba ukuthi okay singayenza
sure yeah
but then thina bese ngayithola opportunity because bazonikeza like labantu laba ama class rap kwabona labo ke laba
Yeah.
ama big opportunities
yeah,
ukubona
ama-top up,
yiba
yeah,
bazohamba nama script yiba abazochoose abantu abazo-actor nabo mfethu ngitshela ukuthi mina bengichoose ekugcineni mfethu ngihleli kanje ngiyilena ukuthi le out kanti company ngayijampisi kwenzakalani abangifuni mfethu dafe okay bacove bangishiye ngiyi-1 lapha ngizocova ekugcineni as last option mangifika egroupini yakho okay angifuni babiza ngamagama
yeah
khona ama class rapper lapha ukuthi bazonikeza nama character bona
Okay.
there's this character efunda ama line ayi2 abangigaya yona efunda ama line ayi2 I only had 2 lines man and the script besi1 because ama copies bewanenkinga esigela banikeza ama class rapper ama script ama group leader but yinenzo hamba noma script niwafunde bear in mind i-period creative arts bengathathwa serious esigela like by one period
One period, yeah.
and kule one period bemele siperforme sonke
Yes.
shoot manje mina bengihambi nescript bengifika nje ekseni ngifike lapha na sengifuna ukubheka kuthiwa script sikubani mina ngisithola nini script fair is fine kufika isikhathi sokuperforming lapha emuva angivezwa kufika ama heritage day bekubana ama event esigela ukuthi kuya showcase ama dance ama EP nama poetry mfethu asifaka ufaka ukuthi wena ungubani ufaka amabecaba igama ukuthi ungubani
yeah
Ama favorism, yeah.
mfethu ukuthi ayakusena space mzuzongena bani mhlawumbe odumile yesigela maybe udume ngesomething uyafakwa why bayamcaba thina saziwa but siwaziwa kanjani because siyazama ukuthi ngafunda ukuthi mfethu kule nto le there's no need ukuthi waziwe zidongezwe wena uzicaba wena yangithola
yeah
ngadlala low key nje yami grade 5 angiperformanga grade 6 angiperformanga grade 7 eprimary angiperformanga ngaze ngaphuma ngaya grade 8 uNkulunkulu aphendula ngathola opportunity nje yami ama auditions nakhona ama audition bewenza va esigela straight yabona makufika ama auditions esigela kuthiwa silandwa eclassini ukuthi makunabantu abafuna ukwenza idrama in baze eclassini leso nani I think it was 2020 when I was in grade 8 yeah 2020. Okay, after school ngafika laphana, mangifika gcwele vele abantwana besikole uyabona, kufike ku-audition hey man ngingene laphana, ngifike ngishaya into yami, mangishaya into yami ngihamba namajitami sawafuna endlini manje dayasambeni bafethu ngi-audition bese ngihamba kusasa ngiyabuya nyalanda ukuthi kuse sifuna la imali. Ngibona va manje ngibona e-high school from grade 5 mfethu, from
Khale
grade
manje
5
banotice
khana bezongibona e-high school,
Jithi uphethe italent ekayo.
from high school izisuke ngithi okay into bengiyifuna le asami. Okay ngihambe G8 G9 then G9 ichaye futhi lo muntu lwana kusho ukuthi into ukuthi sekathole ama better opportunities naye lo muntu beka siphethe amuve. Make move same time uNkulunkulu aphendule futhi kuvela omunye G10. Nakhona G10 sengithi hayi manje ngiyafocus esigela manje ngiyaziyekela lezi zinto lezi ngizozibona mangiqeda isigela. G10 kufika omunye, makufika lo munye ayi be same thing nakhona. Angibambe ke lo muntu. Okay, siphushe ke sibe sonke lapha esikolweni. Lokho kafuka kancane lokho kuyafuka sithole sesisala sesi3. Masala C3 kuthiwa asayenzela esikolweni siyachipta manje. Angithi kusesama skills development sa develop into le. Ikhona ngaphakathi coding sinayo but then ayikho like idinga umuntu ozoyisharpna like ama skills yantona. Manje sesithole lo muntu lo sekayasipheka ke manje sekayasipheka. Sekusimple because lo muntu lona ngithi upheka ngento esinayo. Uyangithola?
Ne background yakhona.
Yeah. Masifika laphana ke manje sesichipta indawo esenzela kuyo manje sachipta siyabuma ivory saqala ke manje kuya rehearse ke manje kuya practice kuze kufikelele lana ukuthi sesa qualify manje ukuthi sesingahamba nama big fish manje. Sesiyangena e-theater ke manje so singene e-theater. Masingena e-theater singena nakhona sibheki nasemuva. Singene I was in grade 11 mangene e-theater ngene e-theater siphushe theater qale lapha poetry ke. Lapha poetry suke khona. Kwi-poetry ilento ukuthi ngiyakhona ukubhala i-poetry. Ngiyakhona ukubhala i-poetry. Hayi ukuthi ayangithi I'm a poet because kunabantu mfethu mangiphumile la ngibona abantu ukuthi ama poet lo muntu angashaya i-poem manje angayibhalanga engayenzanga next. Ngiyangithola? Ayishaye nje manje according to i-situation yenzeka manje. But mina sayidini la kuyomela ukuthi ngiyobhala qala. Ngiyangithola?
Yeah.
Ihlukile futhi.
Obona vele bayithi.
Khona abantu abavele bayithi ngiyangithola. But then mina sayidini la I'm not good ukuthi
uyishaya.
Yeah, ukuthi
how do you know ukuthi i-poem yami ngiyicedile mama ubhala i-poem, how do you know ukuthi and finish line le? Because like mina namanje ningafunda like angatafini ngiyotshela mama ngithi lento ngiyacazela umuntu mangicede ukuyifunda ukuthi lento kahle ingalento le.
My king, i-poetry i-art nje yami. I-poetry ayiqedi. Ayinoqeda ukubhala i-poetry. Ungayibhala namhlanje ne? Mawubuya kusasa uzofuna ukeda something uphinde ubuye kusasa uthi I think add something.
Yeah.
Ayikuzuqede my king. Ngaphandle ukuthi ungayibhala bese uyivala uthi ngiqedile like uyivale nje udlule ungaphindi ubuyele kuyo. Uyayibhala then uyamemorize uyayidlula. Because wabuyela kuyo uzofuna uyiqedelela because kuba ngathi ayiqedanga and uzofuna editor futhi.
Mangibhala I have to memorize first like.
Yeah, khona abantu ababhalayo then bangayimemorize. Yila abantu laba aba like yabona le poetry esikolweni le ukuthi esikolweni lesifundisa poetry. Ngazi encwadi zabo. Sifundisa poetry. Ebhorayo yabhora phela poetry. Sikahle ebhora le poetry.
Phela le ebhora.
Mfethu kwi home language bekune nencwadi ze poetry.
Yeah.
Angazi bazibiza ngani ngi language yenu then we English bekune incwadi ye poetry ngibe khona istory.
Yeah.
Ama poem nje nama short story.
Yeah, vele besikhona.
Yeah, bekuna poetry wakhona. Khona ama poets anjalo ke ukuthi ayabhala kuphela bese angayimemorize. Lo muntu oma ke kushayela ipoem yakhe uzoyifunda. That poem is boring. Like that poetry is boring. I don't know na lie. I'm a poet but it's boring man. Yabona. Yeah.
You outgrow them.
Yeah.
Yes.
Injalo man.
So shaying a poem or poetry. Le ukhumbula uqala vele ukuthi le ngingayenza yabasolve.
Your first poem, your first one.
My first
poem. Yeah.
Experience yakho na benjani?
Oh, ngichazele ngayo.
Yeah.
Uqala kwami ukubhala ipoem under pressure. Under pressure ukuthi yazi enye into bekuyimbi bekune competition. of which competition ama-event we-art angithola kuba nama-competition lapha.
Yeah.
Competition yakhona beyine-drama, poetry, dance, music. Yane? So laphana kuyawinwa kunama-prizes mfethu
Eish.
uyangithola. So siyazi ukuthi khona ama-groups esiwaziyo theatre ukuthi okay ine-group eso mangafika le group le izoshaya ngedrama cause abantu mfethu kudala bakhona like kwi-industry kudala bekhona kwi-industry basema-TV no ama-celebrity yabona i-most yabo uyangithola. So ngathi same day nomnye macala wami so sathi mfethu asibhale ukuthi masingawinanga kwi-drama siwine kwi-poetry because nakwi-poetry khona ababulalayo but then asiba like mfethu uyangithola siyasho ukuthi singangena lapha
Ningangena.
singangena
Survive.
if sashawa ngapha songena ngapha uyangithola. I-performance in 3 days thina mele sibhale i-poem manje esizoyidlala in 3 days. Sayibhala nomngane wami sayibhala sayiqeda same day sekumele siyi-memorize manje inkinga uyangithola. Si-memorize le poem masifika same day ke abantu ba-relaxile ukuthi like fela basha ama-warm ups nani ba-relaxile thina sizama ukrema le poem le angithi thina sibasha kwi-poetry sesebasha sazama ukrema mfethu asizama ukrema sibambe nama-line lawo ukuthi mase singena lapha singabonakali ukuthi siyaqala.
Siyaqala vele.
Sangena ke i-poem yakhona I think beyithatha 3 minutes. Twas indongo.
Also mawufika lapha uyaperform i-poem yakho.
Uyaperform.
Like uyiperforma uyikhuluma kuphela or ngama
Okay, yacaba khambani kunama categories.
Yeah.
I think I3 awe-poetry but then ngazi 2. Khona i-lyrical awenze next mfethu just uyashaya. Uyashaya. Khona i-dramatic. Thina besibashaya nge-dramatic because sazi ini i-drama thina shaya i-drama.
Oh yeah.
Thina besibashaya nge-dramatic poetry ke. Siya actor walishaya poetry. Of which that day ngidonsa in ama-audience mfethu these guys yes sis. Sayishaya sawina ke same day.
Yeah.
Sawina ke same day sashaya ama-poets abantu ababhalayo. Saqala thina sashaya sawina. Sashaya number 3 ngale kwi-drama. Besazi ukuthi vele ngale kwi-drama ngeke sizosilungisa sashaya number 3 uyangithola.
Yeah.
Thina khona i-dramatic ne-lyrical nake.
So awungitshele man. Njengoba yabo kuma movies kune ama-love what ama-drama what yabona man lama ama-character akhona lapha. Manje nina i-poem nayo ihamba kanjalo. Kunama-characters through yona i-poem ukuthi le love song le what
Yeah,
what.
injalo.
So nishaya wapi?
Mina mfethu. Mina ngishaya ebhalekayo. Yabona engwazi ukuyibhala. Uyabona enye into yini? Mangiye like if I go through a certain situation.
Yeah.
Ngabhala ngalento le because ngine experience. Uyangithola.
So nobhala izinto ozi-experience
Most of the time.
not most of the time.
Not most of it. Because mangalalela ama-poem wami ezothi yahlanya nje man. Yeah. Not all of most of the time man. Yeah, it depends man. Maybe 1 or 2 poems, no poems on.
Relate.
Yeah.
But most can relate man.
Mina speaking of poem, kusona ngathi namabhaya so for sure nama viewers ne anga appreciate the time. Siyabona nentwana uthi shaya ama poem and what. Shayilai.
Yasenzakalani mfethu?
Shayilai.
Ngishayela ne?
Yeah.
2-3 nyana manje.
Uzocabeka ngayo uthi hayi vele siyabona khona umuntu oshaya poem mara zange samuza ashayilai.
No bangazi. They know me man.
They know you marama viewers.
Awethu wata uthi
You are
shayila ile.
Hey. Fed. Ithi lento. Yey, mantombazane ngiyawuyeka umjolo. Nakule game yenu ukufuna ukunqengwa ningi-count out ngoba mina ngiyashesha ukudoya. Uyabola ngafaka wonke umuntu engangimthanda bese inhliziyo yabola. Kunalo muzwa enguzwa ngedwa njalo uma ngihlaselwa ngumzwa ngedwa. Ngizithole sengikhuluma ngedwa talking to myself ngilezi ezitshelayo. Inkinga mina ngangena ngenhliziyo bayiphula ngazama ngesibindi basifraya emjoleni ngiyavaya siyekeni bafethu.
Yabona pheke ukhuluma ngamtita ngiyarelate.
Machi.
Ushithi le uyibhala le I do relate because like I ngifela ngathi I do relate
Ubuya kude ba.
Hey,
Ima, why ka we feel ngathi kade ngirelate mina?
cause like
Ka ufuna ukusitshela? Uthi ngathi ngento ufuna ukusitshela yona.
no, like ayikho mara like ayibona man into umuntu makana le experience leya.
Okay, one relate.
Mina this one yeah, probably now. Probably nomchito. Probably sonke thola. No cameraman.
Yeah, no cameraman, yeah.
Yeah.
Cameraman, yeah.
Ne relate thola. Mara mina into yakhe ishaya.
Asibonga
I
manje.
blind.
Umdlalo wamagama is like a game.
So this one ungayenza futhi uyenza lama action lawa.
No, uyacaba company. Lena angeke ngiyenze ngalama actions because wena ngayibhalela ini lyrical. Uyangithola. Kukhona lezo ukuthi ngizibhalele ini I dramatic.
Cela ungishangiwa.
No, I dramatic ngeke ngikwazi ukuyidlala nje like la idinga I stage man, I stage. Yeah.
Akithi esha kuteni pha.
Yes stage. Yazi company. Khona ishow engizobe ngikuyo manje ngoMarch. Ngikhohle date mara ngizoyishare poster. Manje ngoMarch ngizobe ngine two-man show. Two-man show if there's a guy and a female. If it's a two-man show.
Angazi buza umuntu wrong.
Akusilo.
Yeah, ilanto leyo yabona ngizobe kuyilento leyo.
Yeah.
Two
To
men and a female show. Izobe ngoMarch. Ngizonsendela iposter then nibone because
Like show nishayela va.
Ivora, izobe Ivora. It's a poetry night.
Oh, ebusuku.
Iqala ngo4 but mara but then yaza African time ngiqala ngo5.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it can be.
Yeah.
Ayihlali straight vele.
So manje ngafika lapha nabafethu. Nibone ubone yile.
Yeah, kumele ngibone vele cause like cause like kati I was dating intombazane thola. That girl kadabu yenza lento ze drama what so. I was like ungayela because like ngiyengabuzana. Maybe if ngayangazibonela thola. Like ngaba nalento lokujanuwa abantu be-actor kahle.
But you never date an actress or an actor.
Why?
I am telling you, never date those people.
Why?
But you labantu laba they pretend man. They pretend and you won't see.
Oh, shooting
But uzoba semjolweni one. Uzojola wedwa.
so lokho umuntu angiactela lapha.
And wena uboni.
Yebo. Mina ngithi I'm in love. And umuntu movie ne act.
What's the question my king? Asambeni.
So man, since uthi le poem iqedisha manje awu relate kuyo. Eyiplay ngathi yabona le ngeke ngayenza nga relate too much.
Hey my king. Hey, mchithi yangidika.
Ya mele ungene la.
Kunalena. Sizongilwisa nabantu. Kunalena engikhiphe manje ngoDecember. December 2025 ne?
Yeah.
Angazi ngikhiphe nini. La imana ngini. Yabona leyana nginoku relate. Kancane mara yabona ngirelate kakhulu uyangithola. Ngirelate kancane. Hayi ukuthi ngiyarelate enhle yabona. Kancane nje. Yeah. Injalo. Ile ethi nguwena. Yeah, yiyo. Khona la ku Facebook, ku TikTok, Instagram. Na ku YouTube ngipostile ku account yami.
Yeah, utholakala ubani da vela subsearch sometime.
Okay, all right. Ku TikTok Yanga Drill, Facebook Yanga Drill ZA, on Instagram Yanga Drill. Then shota kuphi? Shota va?
TikTok au.
TikTok yeah, Yanga Drill lankhona.
Yeah.
Yanga drill poetry I think igama mayilezo biases. Yanga drill phela Yanga drill.
Yanga Drill yes. Yanga Drill
ama poet.
yonke into.
Uthi yakitha kanjani?
Yonke into ongayicabanga my king. Yonke into ongayicabanga Yanga Drill.
So igama leli uthole kanjani?
Okay, le gama mfeli yabona bekuyilento ukuthi uyacaba drill.
Yeah.
Drill yes. Yeah, director yami mfeli beyingibiza kanjalo ukuthi like la ngifika khona cause besamba ama competition angithi. Uthi le life yakho zonke eziphethe untwana iyabhoboza. Yadrilla le awu. Uyangithola. Manje ke ngoba uyanga drill ke kanjalo udrilla. Abanye bangibiza ngodrilla feel driller.
Problem khohle ubuza ukuthi ama ticket imali khohle ubuza ukuthi ama ticket wala.
Ticket imali. 50 rand
All the
ticket. Yeah,
way
50 rand ticket.
Key.
Sure.
Awuna discount if ungazana umabhebeza la. Thina sabantu abamnyama vele yabo. Sifuna uhamba ngama discount.
Hey, nizophuma senihlukene ngathi ungeza nomngani wakho ngoba hey into eyenzeka lapha ku poetry session ziyakhala mina.
Kanjani?
Yazi poetry umuthi nje yami. Iyakwazi ukuthi ihlanganiswe nomuntu iphinde ngihlukanise. Cause uzotshela ama secret ngayo lo muntu lo. Khona izinto wena like khona izinto ozibonayo emntwini wakho ngithola khona izinto ongaziboni ngithola. Kunezinto zokuthi thina ama poets sikwazi ukubonisa zona wena bongaziboni. Nawe siyazibuza ukuthi okay shothi umuntu wami ucabanga soma enami mfethu. Soqala ukumdika manje nawe uyabona ufuna ukuthi vele yazenza lezi zinto lezi.
Mina ngikhet like I'm lost man ukuthi kanjani man because like ngithi noma nifika lapha eno performer lento ni performer.
Yeah.
Shuthi Cherami zo relate kule nto le. Or kanjani?
Omunye wethu zo relate. Omunye ufakazi buthi woza kwi poetry session. Yeah. That's the only ufakazi engizokunikeza bona. Woza ku poetry session ubona ukuthi khambani.
Yeah, hayi bo kanjani angeke ngisafuna ukuza phela uma if ngizohlukana nomabhebeza.
Waziwani uruze nomacala.
Nomacala.
Yeah.
Mara okay, masithi mina ngiyanga, yena ugela uyile lapha. So ingayenzeka futhi yenza ukuthi uCherry makabuya lapha athi ajo, it's over jo.
Lento ifana nokuthi ufakelwa enye ingqondo mayifika lapha. Khona enye ingqondo afakelwa yona encane. Yabo. Uzokuzela ngayo wena uzobungayicabi like izoba ngcono yena make kuzela nayo. Hayi ukuthi noyithuni beninayo lo ngqondo leyo. Yeah. Yangithola. Yeah.
Amara fela songitshelile ukuthi kahle kahle ngajola abantu aba actors like they pretend, I'm pretender.
I'm telling you my king, I'm telling you not ngamanzi. Don't date those people.
Uthi kanjani ngoba usho ukuthi wena already we poet so sewunengqondo lezi uthi immediately umuntu athuna so shuthi ngathini ngahlala sewunengqondo eziningi ukuthi uyakhona we start like
Eyiphi
is ama relationship and stuff ublind kahle kahle mase kuza kuzo
no angikho blind king number yangigila
never kill poet
yazi khambani
never
ngiyakutshela king
Chala.
kunezinja la ngaphandle baba kunezinja ngitshela ukuthi mfethu like mina ne like ngiyakwazi ba ku relationship bangihethe ngibe nginale ngqondo le nginayo enye into ukuthi singama theater practitioners or ama artists lawa kule side down not lawa yabo.
Yeah,
we see things in a different picture yangithola. If was someone oy overthinker ne khona abantu ukuthi umuntu uyi overthinker njalo like uso by nature ama artists ke lawo yithi ke lawo so thina sibona into engakayenzeki yangithola. Yeah, injalo
phela isho ukuthi if mawubona into engakayenzeki ungaba nesimokole sewuthayi kumele ngiyiprevent so na so.
Thing is now akwazi kuyiprevent mfethu because most yethu thina we spend 90% of our time espanning like senza i-artwork like it's either ngiyabhala, it's either ngi-rehearsal, it's either ngi-performance, it's either yabo 90% of our time. Ngabuza amathi
yamtshela umama usithayi niba ngibe khona ngesikhathi so ngizoba ngivava update great sharp.
It's very important to do that but then kunezinje kasi baba.
Yabo mahlalela. So as poetry helped you understand yourself better?
Yeah, I did.
Ungifaka phakathi story. Story.
Okay, angazi ukuthi ngiyibreak down kanjani into le. Shoot manje. The way ngikhona manje. Ngiyakwazi ukudifferentiate between la ngibelonga khona nala ngabelonga khona.
Sure.
Ngiyabloma namajita wonke so like sihlanga nesiblomeni ngithola. But then mangifeel ukuthi this is not my place. Shift. And if I shift mfethu bengisasho ukuthi i-poetry or i-art i-calling. If angishift la kunento ezofika engqondweni ukuthi maybe kufika iline man. Bene line elifikayo ukuthi ngathini any line nje li dope man ukuthi like feeling ngafuna ukulibhala phansi le line leli ngeke ngilibhale ngihleli namajita
nabantu yeah
kumele ngishifte ngendaweni yami ngiyiwani ngiyobhala le line le before ngikhona
Yeah.
because once lava iline ivayile alisabuyi
Eish.
uzolikhumbula mase lishiwo omunye umuntu kuphi uthi
The line is
that's my line man. So le line leli lizokususa laphana uthi hey mfethu thini ngiyobhala uzovala uyobhala ayi kusabuya cause ucabanga ukuthi hayi man izinto ezikhulunywe namajita lawa azingibuild mfethu iyakuseparate ngoba ikholinga ile
awona utshalo amajita lawa ayangibosha kahle kahle
Lede ngikulanda anywhere la ukhona it will haunt you baba noma ungabaleka kanjani.
Yeah. So Greshapa, I recommend listen since uvana machita I recommend machita zamanda ide. Since uthi art, yeah. Machita zamanda ide.
Azikhambani. Ngispenda unyaka wami wonke king nama artists like e-theater kakhulu yabo. Ngihlezi ngindayo e-theater ePitori. Ngihlezi ngila. So mangisuke ePitori ngifuna ukusuka ngiyofuna i-fresh air eKasi. Angifuni next ngihlanganisa ne-art eKasi. Yangithola.
Oh.
So mangisemachiteni yazi ukuthi asikhulumi ngeSpanish. Yangithola. Yeah.
so
Mara khona le uthi vele yaqala into eziSpanish watwathi.
Oh masesivuka.
Yeah.
hey
No like asesivuka but emajiteni acaba uthi emajiteni kuba nesikhathi ukuthi asibonani isikhathi umuntu vele avusa itopic eso vele.
Topic eSpanish.
Yeah.
Yazi khambani amajita mayazi ukuthi wavusa itopic about iSpanish sami. Le topic amele yangu ukuthi hlala isikhathi eside. Iyohlala maybe 15 minutes in fact so ringa ngayo ta then chayide siyadlula.
Yeah.
Cause once area ngayo isikhathi eside in fact uyangilokhunja eish
Am moti ama line avela azi so wama ne pen ne paper every time.
angami nepele. Mfita ngihlanyi. Angihlanyi.
Yenza kanjani ngoba like line lafika ufana nama rap ama artists.
Yeah.
Iline phela amabhanga afika anytime sikhuluma nje ngamazi something ifike etho.
Yeah.
Artists vele uzofuna ukubhala ukuthi line lizobaleka ukuthi ngibhale phansi. Netho.
Into bengisayisho ukuthi if uhleli namajita and lamajita lawa fela akusamajita agrand for like awubelong lana mfethu lizofika iline malifika iline izobena ukuthi ulibhale ukuze ulibhale le line leli awuna pena awuna next manje uyeme memorize and the more ulies the more ukhohlwa le ukuthi uvale
Eish.
uzohamba uphuma kula majita lawa
So if laza manje uzophakama uhambe. Uzenza kanjani?
esha mina cava come on ngine phone baba ngibhale efonini because manje ngiyazi ukuthi la yabo
Yeah.
like siyaringa
Saringa okay I feel yeah ngiyakuzwa.
ngithola
So like APE motivation ngeke umuntu afraid ukhipha ama i-writing into ebhalayo lapha man i-writing yakhe la man poetry etho into amazwi ngamgayo.
okay yabona if there is someone obhalayo out there
Yeah.
ngithi mina yeke kuba selfish lento ebhalayo lapho iphilise ezophilisa thina because thina siyagula fethu siyagula sonke la sinenkinga siyagula so wena uphethe amaphilisi lapho ukusisiza wena awufuni ukusisiza
Afuna wakhipha.
ukuthi wena ufuni ngamaphilisi wakho
Yeah, self.
Yeah. Khipha lamaphilisi siphile nje yami ngithola khipha siphile if lapho ngaphandle uyabhala you are a good performer give us this thing.
Hey, uzana sibo.
We want to peel.
Yeah.
We want to peel man.
But probably I think umuntu uzoba afraid man ukuya out there. Yazi man uthi abantu njenge Facebook. Obviously kunalama comment lawa azayi man like
Aphula
yayibona ukuthi
vele ya.
sengicabanga ukuyeka manje ama negative comments ethola izinto ezinjalo. How do you manage when izinto ezinjalo?
Mfethu one thing about ama negative comments. Afana ne step nje yami. It's like iladder like lento le. Kufika negative comment when uyakhuphuka kwiladder liyafika liyayehla. Uyangithola? Kunokuthi ubhekane nalo. Dakha le negative comment bese unyathele phezukwalo ukhuphuke qhubeka khuphuka unyathela yiwo azokukhuphula lama negative. Yiwo azokukhuphula bazosizonda base basithande. Uyangithola ngenkani. Injalo bafethu. And then into yabona if we artist, if we writer, a poet, actor, ungagijimela uba yini ama-influencer ama-celebrity ngiyagijima bayi-celebrity la mfethu asidlali le life yama-celebrity ngoba i-celebrity uzogoa through a lot sobheka thina mfethu there is theatre mfethu yabo i-theatre iyakutraina mfethu iyakutraina kakhulu yangithola so mina ngi-advise ukuthi uye theatre mfethu ushaye theatre mnandi grand
okay yeah. Probably ngiyakuzwa man so like imali ushuthi phela imali ke
mfethu ukhuluma ngani imali khona e-theatre ushaye theatre siyaphila mfethu siyaphila grand
sengifaka manje ku-poetry angithi manje uthe ifame kumele bangigijimisi yayithola izinto so and kumele ube out there and ukuze ube out there kumele ube famous abantu bazokwazi through ube-famous
yeah
abantu abakwaziyo through ubu-famous akusila abantu abazogaya isipani because abantu abakwaziyo through ukuba famous like ama-fans like yabona abantu laba ukuthi babukela kuwo but then akusibo abazogaya isipani abantu abazogaya isipani mfethu base-theatre ngisatshela namanje e-theatre mfethu like kuza abantu abakhulu ukuthi yibo abazokubhukha njani yibo abazokubhukha because labantu laba bahlala la bahlezi beda talent lapha ifame izozela yona mayilandela mawulokhu ukhuphuka izozela yona ngokwayo yangithola
so ubani is there someone okumotivate ukuthi uyenze i-poetry
role model
yeah
ngabe ngiqamba manga yazi role model yami ilaphana endlini mangiyogeza lapha there's something I call it a picture man khona i-picture lapha endlini etoilet lapha namanyokeza of which ikhombisa umuntu ofana nami la picture
bakuthrowile kahle
no abangithrowanga mangisuka mina lapha nale picture leyani ya disappear kusala iframe kuphela
hayi secalling ngempela yabona manje hayi it's a calling ushelo it's a calling
mafethu ngisho ukuthi there is a mirror
into ngiyaget
i-role model yami lapha
uyasibheka la mama
that's my role model I want to be that guy
motivate kahle akekho umuntu okutshelayo kahle
injalo no ngilezi ezitshelayo ngithi
no mara like
ngiyashela mina
mara like mara probably man kumele kube le someone ukuthi wafollow ama steps wakhe ethola ngoba like wena ama steps wakho okay fair sharp ethola mara there's lama steps lawa yama no someone ukuthi yabo lo muntu ngahlangana ngiyamtshela istory sami angifake izintweni izinto zami zingahamba kahle
no okay ngiyabona kwenza yazi kule industry kwenzakalani la ufollow ama steps womuntu ufollow ama steps onoma ubani like wonke umuntu ukuze ubone ama mistakes wakho awufuni ama mistake wakho ufune ama mistake nabantu abaphambili shuthi niyahamba lozowa uyadlula ubheka la benyathele khona ukuthi ekuse uthi nginyathele kabi la ngiyadlula mina ithi nginyathele so ngiyadlula yeah sikhula kanjalo but there's abantu esibahloniphayo ku-industry mfethu yabona esibahloniphayo ukuthi
njengobani kanje
abo Stuki amazi Stuki Thulani Muthweni yeah Grootman ngelele the guy ngibhekele kuye la manje kakhulu ku-acting the guy the actor kuphi kusiphetho be-actor kusiphetho manje edlala umkhapheni
ngiyathi nasibheke ithi
kwiGomora edlala ubongani iGomora lo ntshebe yeah lo impandla untshebe lo mzulu
mana ngathi ngiyayibona le uringa ngayo ngathi ngiyayibona ithanda amajo nokuthanda amajo ngiyayibona
Grootman ngelilane ngibhekele kulo e-theatre ngibhekele ku Dr John Kani yeah malume njalo
so back to Mchita man Fries usitshele nge experience yakho neJane obvious for sure YouTuber somehow nento esishaya brand benjani for wena man
ama vlog phela ama vlog niyaspenda kumele uspende la ukuhluka la emolof ukuthenga ukudla kwe-500
to be honest like ukuthi mina ngine account like yini account TikTok YouTube account like anginayo ile nto okuthini amajida yangibiza
Oh
Yeah, like
They collaborate against
sure
Yeah.
tanazwakala ku-vlog intontoni yangithwala so like nami ngiyavayo sininingi khona lezi mani bezikhona kule podcast
oh yeah
Get Again.
Ghetto Gang.
yeah abontwana keke bangidonsa ntwana sivayi siyava kuleli flags
Oh yeah yibona
sure yeah maye siyavaya kuntwana uthi untwana une-brand so like masifika la feli kuba ile nto okuthini siyashuta endlini kantwana maye ngihleli nontwana leli flags ngoba yena vele yabona kuleya level
Level top
sure ngithi ntwana wena maye since une-brand and like feli ngiyakubona naku-brand yakho awubhekanga kakhulu uthi untwana hayi mntwana mina ngithuna into eyi-1 ngishaya into ezibhayi ngathi okay since ushaya izinto ezibhayi mina ngifeza ungigaye i-advice ukuthini mina naleya kwami siyiphushe kanjani i-brand ngoba like sifuna ukuthi vele ivaye straight ethi untwana
sure
i-advice engizogaya yona ne ukuthini i-brand yakho ungayigaya ama-influencer kakhulu ungabhekeli kimi nawe lento le ngawe kaya namajito ophila nawo isavayile ngokuyiposta kanjani
sure
ungafuni ukugaya usibanibani ngoba udumile
na promoted
ya nomuntu lo sometimes akayenzi lento leyo wena uyifunayo straight ngithwala
sure
yeah but then fana like mina naleya kwami siringile this year ngoba like ilo i-brand iqale buma November and nami ngisamele ngibhala ama-exam like nontwana naye la uyabhala izinto azivayi grand mara this year siringile ukuthintana i-brand kumele vele sishaya ngestock vele se-100% ukuthi ya umuntu makathi ntwana Frezo ngishayela i-delivery simtshele yantwana into ikhona ngoba la stebe kuyilezi zinto zokuthini yo mntwana ngifuna i-hoodie kube lento okuthini mntwana izwakala izako uzolithola next week or after 2 days and then lento ithunani inokwenza ukuthi umntwana uyifuna no and thina masithi asinayo obvious kunamanye ama-brand ngaphandle
uyafuna vele ngoba
yeah
ngabhaya creatiwayo vele
yeah sho ukuthi maye nathi mase sibuyela kuzo sitshela abafethu mina izaka ngisenayo or uzothi ngibhayile or ngisebenzisile
sure
ngithola
I think probably kulapho ikuhlupha khona ngane ama-local brand simnikeza imali lethi deposit masigaya imali khani nofuna lento le yabona ukuthi mayisebenza kanjani
yinto engishoyo ukuthini sifuna uku-upgrade ilo i-level ngithola ukuthi izinto zikhona ukutholakala ngesikhathi as like aboguru so ngithola yeah shout out for iguru ngoba leya brand yashisa
yeah very abaningi sebabonela kuye thola it's right
yeah yona i-blind but then yo lento le brand baba
yajulukiyo
yeah kuyasifanwa la yo like kunaleya nto leya yokuthini yo neyami nami ngifuna ukuthi bayigqoke
pushana dayikho enye vele
ayikho enye indlela
kumele bayifake out there so man my isigela since through poetry also affect scale or something
no caba kambani king okay shoot manje this month ngiyavaya ngesigela ngithola i-matric ngiqede 2024 so no ngesigela ngishaya yona theater khona esigela
oh yeah
yeah so ngidokonje
university college
yeah university
where
Pretoria man Tshwane University
cool
yeah Tshwane University
eish mara lapho kumele ungamoshe my kunzima phela emavama
king
tell ucharata baby ungayi today le yayithola
yazi ngiqala kuphi king ngqale ukuthi ekuzazini kwakho wena mawuphuma endlini kumele uzazi ukuthi ungubani feli yakhe wenzani
yeah I think yamba kanjani
na tractors zomhlaba mfethu
yeah
kunjalo eish man ngishayele ke
ufunenye futhi
kunenye thola
king asidlali la wasudlala manje
ngoba uthe ngifuna usishayele le uthe kade ungarelate ngifuna usishayele le urelate kuye nje about this one
relate mina into ngifethe ngishila
uthe unayo uthe 2 or 3
yeah
kukhona lencane a-reactor kiyo but
and untwana ushaya ngetopic futhi ufuna ukuyizwa ukuthi ivaya kanjani
itopic
ish man angazi topic or ini khona ipoem ositshele ngayo usithi
Oh lena ngo-December.
Yeah.
Yo leyana bafethu yo.
ukuthi izokudlisana abantu
Leyana hayi leyana fede ngishaya manje ngokuthi okay yona kudala ngiyibhalile ne but then ngayishuta manje ngo-December. Nithi ngishaya
Yeah.
sibona ukuthi ngisayikhumbula na tisibheke shoda ngizange ngizoshaya ipoetry okay ish ithi lento if this is poetry then I am not a poet. Ngiyimbongi. I am just the forbidden son who found art lost in words. Nguyangadrill lokhulumayo. Talking to myself lezi ezitshelayo. Yisilwane sasemanzini umbhali weinkondlo eziphilayo. Ngingumzukulu kamzukulu kaNomkhubulwane ngiyisilwane. Sithandwa sami nguwena. Umbulali wenhliziyo yami owayithola imsulwa ufakazi wabusula. Kulo thando bungagcini ngokushaya isicathulo kuphela wena ubushaya nami. Now I just became my own suspect ngiyazisola. Ukuthi kungane ngingaphumanga kuloluthando ngiseneso la kangisaboni ukuthi ngizophinde ngithanda omunye umuntu ngaphambili kangisakhoni ukuthemba noma sekuthembisa ngoba umjolo wasethembisa akawuthembisi namhlanje ungavuka ku wallpaper kanti bayakuyuza bakwenza i-toilet paper ufind out uvela umthande kakhulu hey lezi njazi sidlela umuthi angazi ukuthi ngizothi yithi noma inkinga ikithi no inkinga yithi omunye uthi abafana basekho kazi babulawa yini sibulawa yini inyanga nenyanga igirlfriend allowance ikhuphulwa yini thina sisemasimini sisebenza kanzima siyalima la nokuthi sinibheje qeda singawini siyalimala kulonyaka sibahlaba ngoswazi lomlahla nkosi masiqeda ukubahlaba siyabalahla nkosi talking to myself ngilezi ezitshelayo
izo
yabo wayekade ngisho ukuthi kuleyo kucala nakade relate because namanje yabo abayahlaba bogain ayithola yabona manje kubamba kanjani
ukinge nokutshela yona
no ayikho
le episode le mayiphela ngathi phela uzositshela kawukamba
ayikho lokuthi maye ngiyakhona ukureda ingqondo yabo
you relate
ngirelate uwo relate
no we understand asijajani
wile silu donja
umjita ya relate through seeing understand nama viewers azokhomenta lapha ukuthi afiri umjita there's something man that girl Lucher cala ngayenzi lento
Lucher movie
makabuye umjita lo ngisinda mara probably feature yesha into yakho
ayasibonga
talent likhona man like
it's a calling
no calling
mara calling ekhona ngithi mayisema ngetalent phakathi urayami nayo
italent enye into
awuchazele bafowethu.
Hey my king, there's a calling mfethu. Like vele ngichazile masiqala la ukuthi lento iyakubiza mfethu. Noma ungayibaleka kanjani, it will haunt you.
Ehlezi.
Yakubiza le shandisi. Manje talent mfethu, yangithola. Ayeke ize ikulo khonje ngaleyo ndlela. Cause mfethu mina noma ngilele ngiyavuka ebusuku. Kunento engivusayo ebusuku ethi bhala mfethu.
Eish.
Awuthambanga.
Deep.
So manje since uyikhole ngisho sewunayo yethu la studio ukuthi bahlele itulweni wenze probably there's something you notice like probably okay not manje or later on uzofika uyibhale lapha endlini wanoyoranade ithol or kanje
bengisasho ukuthi kunabantu bokuthi mabefika endaweni bayakwazi ukuthi bathathe le situation enzakala bayenza ipoem ngayo.
Wena
mina ngeza kind of person
okay angekhetha bafethu I think my sesifikile singayiclose ithola but probably seyishayile poem yami ithola mara if nama question angashaya ngawo akunankinga.
Okay, question about
mina ngine question ngiqale like I podcast ende
yeah
so like lento le like into enenzile ukuthi like ngicabanga ukuthi okay podcast vele
Probably mina bangifostile bro. Mina phela bangifostile.
Okay,
phela.
so like mawuthi bakufostile
Yeah,
ne.
but ngihamba ngeflow actually. Bangifostile mara ngigcine ngibona ukuthi ayifere umjito obone something
Kuwe.
kimi
Yeah,
ethola
sure.
mina kade
Bese ngayiboni.
nginotice
It's
ethola.
very important.
Yeah,
It's very
yeah.
important.
But nona ubungekho la kulento lezi.
Like kade ngazibona uzibona ngimuntu ozoba abusy la kuma camera. Hey, yayithola. Shout out to what yeah.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
So bafethu nifuna ukuzibona va in 2 weeks time.
2
In
weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
In 2 weeks.
Umjito wami answer le.
Why would you say that?
Angithi mina ngianswer and probably wena waka-answer ukuthi that question yakho akayansanga.
Yeah.
Masiqaleni
Oh, yeah,
lapho.
started that.
Ayiphinde futhi that question.
Ukuthi like yini into enenzile ukuthi like
Qala podcast.
yeah.
Angathi umjita. Umjita kahle I would just for steal. For me I would just for steal and
Sure.
there's something ukuthi kade ayibona ukuthi since besingekho busy at time athi dambanda asiqala la ngithisha yesona so yabo. Yeah.
No, we need
Even
to give.
though i-camera vele mina angizwani nayo
Mm.
angaforce ukuthi hayi kumele ngibe la.
Mazikhali.
Yeah.
So like since ilo podcast like iqalile unokuzibheka wena like ngoba like leading late
Yeah. Nokusibheka
la
something.
endlini
Eh?
like ne family yakho la endlini like amaphi like let's say ifamily uyifakile la ku TV
Ifamily yami ku-TV.
like
Uyibonisile like
Yacaba
Oh,
ukuthi
bayacaba mara abangakayiboni. Mara bayacaba.
Abangayiboni?
Yeah.
oh I feel
Okay.
Yeah.
mina esami isicelo sithi sicela ubhuti umjita ngale behind the camera kwenye episode mhlambi kwenye episode ezayo abe khona ngaphakathi.
avaka.
Yeah.
Sifuna ukumbona thina nama-views yabo.
Yeah, sure.
Asimazi.
Amele abe khona vele.
Because
Amele abe khona.
Mara umuntu wakhona angeke avele kuphela. Kushuthi le video le maybe imele ifike boma 1000 viewers. Ngoba lo muntu lo behind i-camera ethola. Buso bakhe busulobo mele ubonakala kangaka ethola.
we can fight for 1000 viewers long as phethe bobuhle mfethu hayi bobuhle bazopromote.
Abayipromote.
Sure.
Lapha khona uyangizwa.
Yeah.
Bazopromote izofika.
Yeah, probably if yafika la next episode masiphethe nani majita uzoba nani ube uye uzoba interview ethola.
It's very important.
Yeah.
It's very important.
Back to the question, khona le question uyibuze.
Where do you see yourself in 2
Oh,
weeks?
in 2
Oh,
weeks.
yeah.
In 2 weeks
Yeah.
time.
Or in 2 weeks time. Probably mina mfethu I want in 2 weeks time. Let me be maybe 150 subscribers. I want 150 subscribers. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ngiyawadinga like I need them.
so like niku how many subscribers
60
What?
68, yeah,
68,
68
yeah.
subscribers. Yeah.
Kancane.
Yeah.
Yakhona.
yeah ngoba lento level yonke into ifuna ilo push
Yeah, vele.
It's a process bafethu.
Ayambi kanjalo.
Demele yenzeke manje to trust the process.
Mhm.
Kuyafika.
my like ngiyashaya ama blind date
Sure,
Yeah.
sure, yeah.
Bless her, sha. Maybe next episode singakufaka kuye.
Sure, yeah.
Awungenile uka ungenile.
Ungenile.
Yeah.
So I feel ubuquzo gama namba urumjita akudlulisela amanamba kophuqo wena uzokhuluma nobuqa.
Sure.
Yeah, sure bafethu masivaleni manisho. Sizwile sikhulumile nani nizwile abalaleli abashengi ngiyamanje boyfriend. Bashengi ngokuvalisa.
Cabanga siyadlala. Keep us down la. Lo mjita uyadlala.
Abashayi. Abagaye ukuvala man. Something yokuvala man. Lezo yabo i-closing wathwala.
Eyovala ithi.
Mm.
Ningifolloweni.
Yeah.
Ningifolloweni kakhulu, ningifolloweni ngobuningi, ni subscribeeni, ni press le notification button leyana ethi qinqing.
Yeah.
Icommenteni lapho ni like. Sekusho mina manje uyangadread talking to myself lezi zitshelayo. Thank you.
nami bafethu angicela ukukhulu la ku TikTok bafethu followani
Oh, ne brand bafethu lokho ne. Yes. Let's support local brand.
Ubani
Lokho.
umjita la akazisho.
ku YouTube man ku TikTok yangisibusiso ngoba like ngilahle lo account yami ama details yeah mara bafethu yangisibusiso la followani like it yeah
Awe masesivala sisho lesa slogan. I'm sure nizwile man.
Esithi.
From the streets for the streets.
From the street.
for the streets.
For the street.
From the streets
From the street.
for the streets.
Oh,
Yethola.
the street.
So sisho sonke manje. From the streets.
Okay, aqalile ka 1 2 1 2
From the streets for the streets.
Sure.